What are you doing, Rashi?
I'm making his hair all wacky.
Let me see, wacky boy.
Are you taking a picture or video?
Video.
Oh.
Guys, can you stand there? This way? I can get a better shot.
Okay, I need to use more gel now. How come it's coming on my ears? Oh, it is? No. I feel a little bit on my ears. Ew!
That's gel, baby.
It's just gel. Ow, ow. Owie. Ow! I'm not pulling your hair at all. Well, it's hurting me. Don't move. Owie. We're gonna need to wash your brush after this.
Yeah.
Oh, could you back up a little?
More gel? Huh?
Yeah. I need it to make it stay in. Not too much more though.
How wacky
You
do
might
you
need
look?
to get more gel soon, Mama. Because I might use a lot. Ow. Mommy, you don't use gel very much anymore.
I do some, baby.
Girls use gel?
Sculpting gel. A little bit.
Ow. Poppy uses gel.
Not very much.
Mama uses it more than Papa.